Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Bybit card not eligible. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you are encountering the card not eligible message on Bybit, what you can do first is confirm your country or residence. Bybit card is currently available only the residents of specific countries, so make sure your country is listed. Then second is to complete level 2 identity verification. To apply for the Bybit card, you must complete level 2 KYC verification, which is required for identity and proof of address. Ensure all documents are clear and meet the specified requirements. Then next is to ensure your Bybit account is fully verified. Even if you have completed KYC level 2, Bybit may require additional verification for card applications. Possible requirements are address verification and updated documents. The next is to check for existing active cards. Bybit only allows one active virtual and one active physical card per account. Then next is to review regional restrictions for card features, and if that isn't possible, simply contact Bybit support. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.